Oyin ogun wa gbobaseki ogun wa gbogoba wa gbobaseki ni ha imani won dan e wa no. Can you imagine 4 years okay gba na ege no baseki na e wa de gbe to e na ege no baseki na me Tony Kabaka won bo na ya gore Lagos Street gore Mission Road what's the man gore hotel Tony begeni because oba Tony we na ne begeni again your man where hotel Tony cannot be hotel you get hotel government because of the Tony ya go with me any kweke atie boya mo pogbe Tony mo pogbe vie Tony Tony or itawi yi una Obaseki na ona ija Tony ona ya go with hotel Obaseki ogwo hia gbe won mo bo ogbo won mo wo ogbe o ma bia ba ria na ado bia ye be ria gbon ba be o re ba bia be Obaseki hia lare no bia bega wa na hi ma no sare agbewa okwa bege yo wa dana agbewa Obaseki hia lare Obaseki no dano Belo ki un dane Mariana na riave un dan ki ave ye be ki. Esage no man esage dan, esage no esage va khwe. Nere no biere. Ni aka ya mo pa vora me ari kalaba, esage ni oyere Obaseki. Ade ki Obaseki dona family oge ya. Ekeni ya se keni ya rame. Ayewe ni bobore we popatini vi ro gba yan wa be pu. No Obaseki eje ino keke ni area Obaseki e pa video na pe Obaseki e Godwin no ge ki se ba bia na adebe se ba bia be e ki dan ikiri dan no wa igboyoto na ikiri ni iye gbe ikiri dan yoto ne ejola Obaseki money omo no ikwo no Obaseki na yeye ikiri dan ogbe yoto why because ekini ya dona oh my god oh my god ime de mi ata Obaseki ogun hia gbe Obaseki ogun ohia Obaseki e convoy ni ni afile le kiani gbe mani be wina le Obaseki o kan be Obaseki o bere kitamodona iye gbiku yewo Obaseki that ye wa motel any okay hotel government na Tony Bear Tony Bear hotel reyi hotel government no is say oya ke government property ye o wa Maseki tamo wa dona eke o wa muwa na ya gbodo to gbo won ogwo ke wa Obaseki ege na lu Tony ya destroy me no na lu Tony when Tony ya we dirty job ni ye no na lu Tony obiamia ogwo Obaseki osalo boa no be that courage ni Tony no ya ge no be that courage ni Tony no be enwani ni no ka we detin ye wo metin ya wo se ni bi ya no be ga na blood pressure no ga na attack no ga na anything so no wa be courage ni no be enwani no be wisdom ni knowledge and understanding we agbona emi ya agbona is vanity upon vanity ema aga gogo no ema aga gogo bo edo ya pita we oh god I'm short of words Obazenoro no we your abat no your han abat no de ojo no etawe ochomelo etawa yin ochomelo ozewiye ozewiye ke watere ne bo no ga aje
Mexico
Brazil adiowa ochomelo owo na ni owe no pa ni but ona fi yeke
ona fi gbe
ekome Ona fiyeke. Ona ya support. I'm not support Obaseki o. Obaseki back I support anyway. Stomach frustration we look at epa. Ekwe. Eye bin wedding ye worry see how they are batting. No be ogbede my ogbe my yana wana. Abatini. Isi abatini. I know it is up. I know it go happen. Abatini siya iye mwe mwo kanye wo kanye siya iye ga wo kanye ye gbabatiwa. Abat iye wa magbane agwe. Small pikin, we don't know anything.
Hello, pardon mon salarié. Madre qui n'ont pas ce qui devait pas. Madre qui n'ont pas ce qui to. On peut que c'est bon, ma haine. On va ce qui mouait. On peut plutôt ça la voix qu'à voir tout le qui est pas. On va distribuer. On va ce qui est magique. On va magique. On va moi, on va de toi, on va ce qui va go, on va voir les mots, c'est. Ori mai como kapaka uti e soporte ah otave e pato mo bo mai e na wuri pe tu na ko no ya ki e woni e ja kwanda ya zepe.
Okay.
Hello, pardon mo. Ikabo wa pon me we je normal no je otedo kabo pon ne afia gbo salobua no dazi no go we dia kere igewa we ni Jesu ni oni wa gwan kan o ma gbo oge otimala no ga como toni kabaka ni ne Godwin Obaseki agbo wa mi no gba yeye Governor Godwin Obaseki kere ni ri yobo we kere ri apari a du na odenu yeye to a iye ki ekokin aga dege kuwe ki gwa we o dano ego eri ego abato baze to a fiangu le denewe wa to a ya dekun a rock uga denya working ajo o iri won le no jena to ri won o le de kun working ajo o ri won to mi boya ri won le ni Jesu me do mu pa gere ne ido derege wa ma were do yeye iri ado ni makeni wo gba kenerisi ni maniro afia gbo salobo agwaro ki wa ki gyogo wa ave ni maniro wa sun hu re de we wa
Say.
yagi kweki ikweki ni re ege ki we ge ni governor Godwin Obaseki ni sleepy governor ona wi ari 100 million ya eri ya wona eri already of we ya create a job of which job he not let am create. Okay, those market women now, una don't see the 100 million when this useless governor Godwin Obaseki promise una. The market he don't build am. The fire service he don't restructure am. Then una begin to clap hand. I see the video. Some of una they clap hand. Yes, so. Una never see anything. I pray make Governor Godwin Obaseki, this stupid governor, make him not win this election. If he win like me, my life is okay. Even though not today, na Europe I did perfect okay. But for una where they go, una go crack on social media. Thank God we dey modernized world. Una crack on social media. We go dig una record. We will be the type where they support this governor Obaseki. We go humiliate una. But I pray make it not come for the second tenure. I make we all the club more join hands together. More kick this stupid governor come up for office. Now very stupid governor. Well, do you understand me? So see about Obase, and I like the way that our brother Komitoni Kabaka they respond. I believe say they know they use the way body take discussion. As me there so I had a power, but you have to control your tongue. You have to control your speech. Who they beat. You don't feel like make you not cry. Make una dey look video when these idiots about Obaze dey do. Na him dey fear now. He wan find wetin dey our ipamas. Make dem see where hold am. My brother, you know see wetin dey im mouth. Na wetin go kill your head. Na you use your head go carry am. See this is stupid brother wey dem dey call smart when say India America. You who dey put you for a year? If you join a year or you join one thing, it means say make you dey stupid. Now you start to dey join things. Not be people put you for something. You try to make mad that day. You don't know me. You don't know me. Make God punish you and your generation. We dey plan how we want make Edo State take unite. Jews come Edo State, it turn to another thing. We dey plan how we want to unite. We dey preach. You feel say we want to preach peace. You feel say we dey fear. Now we fear pass. Eh? You dey America, me now land now I pass enter Europe. I don't see death. You wear the snitch, carry money take follow go up, enter uptown. You come dey make math. My guy, arrange yourself. Your brother. Na him go use his hand draw death come himself. You understand me? So the good people of Edo State, I no wan quit. I don't know how too much take much time. May we unite. This governor no mean well for Edo State. Tell me now, the hotel when the governor go destroy, he wan build structure there now. He wan build structure there. Not be chairman when they try boys the lawyer too. Abbas now come dey happy. Say they destroy the house. The one now, oh man, I just quiet. You get why I quiet? You do way one. Governor Godwin Obaseki, you know they come back again. You are a betrayer. You even pay me for the first time. Why they even bring this Godwin Obaseki come out? Obaseki, very anyhow governor. How what bad you are? The power.
Brothers and sisters, this is Mega Comrade again. Today's date is Friday, February 7, 2020. I repeat, Friday, February 7, 2020. It's not a coincidence that all these things is happening right now. I went I caught the video that Abba did. I just put my, I just back. I saw where he said that whatever I put his hand is not good. Or he always go bad. I don't know what he was saying. Tomorrow I'm going to watch the video. But I have a news for him. Abat Obaze. Every me wede. Every minute ranomi or me wede. Before you know it, Governor Obaseki is gone. Where me bo? Itama iweti. Waketi bo ateti. Ime akhyolo ma you bo. Every man, before you know it, the next governor of Edo State, Pastor Osage Ize Iyamu, bang, terrorists will be eliminated in Edo State. We will not chase all the terrorist cell out of Edo State. All over me are working. So I no give me make all over when you are born. Why my witness make you terrorists. When we never be worried about you know battle. Let me breaking news. Jason Robo, Dixie Jason Robo. Immediately Jason Robo send you a computer, a laptop. That is where they remove him as a president of Edo Association in Washington D.C. Mami Muriano who down here. Wait till Dixie Jason Robo if he's still the president or call Iboke or Akbara. Raya no si kakwebi si rokpa mikpe. Imaye nawe ofwe. Ye nawe. Ye ze nawe. Ebia iya mimiao iya gwa akma bato base. Iya ga mimiao iya gwa akma terrorists about obaze itapu. When they close their eye, they will be able to tap terrorists about Obase. When I will expose you, every day, FBI will be dreaming. Itapo will be dreaming about terrorists about Obase. Me, where I want to be. I'm going to tell them what you are. This is a newly formed terrorist organization, financed and sponsored by Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. Before we even go there, let me quickly do this. Once again, Obaseki 4+4 Togba terrorist militant group have a terrorist cells in United States, Europe, and many other countries. The FBI and Interpol need to open investigation on a new terrorist group leader in Edo State, Nigeria, terrorist Abat Obaze, the new notorious 4+4 Togba political terrorist group in Edo State, Nigeria. Corrupt Governor Godwin Obaseki, I repeat, corrupt looter Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State is a terrorist sponsorer, a terrorist sympathizer, and money laundering cartel must be brought down by the FBI. I repeat, must be brought down by the FBI. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. Nobody dare try the power of the Almighty America. Look at it. You see, the power of Almighty America, they will deal with you. You will know that turning yourself to become a terrorist is not acceptable to the Almighty America. And it will never be acceptable by Mega Comrade. For you, Obaseki, because Tony Kabaka Abdul, who I have narrated everywhere, refused to carry out your dirty job, you decided to destroy him, and you are not planning to kill him. Yes, don't worry. Tony Kabaka will be the one to testify against you in court here in America. And Tony, if you are listening, I want you to know that even as at now, you are due for asylum in United States Embassy. All you have to do, if you see Godwin Obaseki is chasing you, run to American Embassy and seek an asylum right there. Put my name down. Write my name down. Tell them that I'm aware of it. I will come to court. I will testify against Obaseki. Yes, Italian. Any country you go, Tony, you are automatic. They will grant you asylum automatic. Automatic. Any country. Carry my picture, follow body with my name. Carry the house video when they destroy because you refuse to do a dirty job for Governor Godwin Obaseki. You are tired. You are a Christian. Nobody is perfect. You made a mistake. You correct your mistake and they want to kill you. Yeah. You also want to wear. Or we ain't getting a winner. It be winning. Or we win a down you winner. Or we dirty job Obaseki you winner. Or we ain't winning. We're not winning. Yeah, Viema could tell you about it. Yeah, Viema could tell Calabari. Yeah, Viema Kikugiri. Yeah, Viema former chief of staff Ovi Kogi. The current chief of staff Ovi Fulani, Ausa Fulani. Wo do nobody. O Agbeo Godwin. O Agbeo. Uke Agbeo. Every Tony na ime wa mwenya hu. Wa heme. O nameye megmina. Igbina. O nainamae. Inawe maze. Inawe maso, inawe mabia, inawe masiae, inawe maitapo, inawe ma goloria, inawe ma HIV, inawe ma coronavirus. One muname, una imewana mai. Iko magbina. ayera yona ona ebo iri ebo bai ipoi velo ku hia gbo abat velo ku hia gbo e rata ewi me ohia me wede olowa ya kie yu wa gbe agbawi apopo agbowi ogwa apopo velo wa gbe o ma mu yen ga gbe rere irere ran ya ahio mai uko ime ahia yo ba se ke gbe onti o pa re pastor osage ize yamu orun pa no mi ma fa bi na jena na la wo no shall koso wicho anybody made them protect pastor osage ize yamu is the only one that will rescue the innocent poor citizen of Edo State. Nobody else. Long live Comrade Adamali Oshomule. Nobody else. The problem Edo people are having now. Every man and woman that did dirty job, kill you, assassination, burning of houses, destroying of houses, stealing of ballot box, immediately you said you are not doing it anymore. Governor Obaseki will unleash on you. He will unleash on you. He will destroy you as we are talking right now. Governor Obaseki order to seal Comrade Osakpoma no Moles Hotel for the second time. And they are planning to demolish Shaba Hotel next week. Next week, Shaba. Obaseki. Abat Ogun. When Abati wo here Tony Kabaka Ode. Where the Tony not the day bawe. No really la den pot we. Osakpo you are wa hunwa. Ahererewa Tawo Akiyole chief of staff ohunwa. Mutari orewa ohunwa. Eboso orewa ohunwa. Who were a leader of the new terrorist group. Mabege. Irina shekwe bomayashi. Agbon fio ene we yen fio meki imase we na riana ive mase wariavi wonetana agbon fio ene we yen fikoto edagbon we afie we la fikoto itama we widow o ha we akin ave we lata e widow openi boy no we ge me ya fefe nita o ageje so obo agbon logo ni ne no ya mu laptop computer we tie de jesu obo have been removed as the president of Edo Association in Washington, D.C. Go and ask. No. We must expose corruption and we must expose terrorists anywhere they are. However, we are ready to expose them. We will never be. Give me a second. Let me quickly send these people to Ezra. 1 second. Hence, they overstay here. These are terrorist group. Terrorist commenter. And not only that, you that is calling me, you saw me online, you are calling me, your number will be automatically blocked. That's it. It's over. It's blocked already. Call now. So that is the problem. You saw me online. I did request for you to call. You continue to call. You are blocked. So let me quickly do this, brothers and sisters. Me. All over man. You people want to assassinate me. You people want to kill me. And you people wanted to use a man who refused. Today, you people are not fighting him. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry. Time will tell. All right, let's go there. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. I repeat. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State is the one of the founder of 4+4 Togba terrorist organization. Not even long ago, little bit more than a week now, or a few days now, they sent one of their terrorist militants to go and launch a grenade bomb in a residence of Chief Francis Enagbeneke. And little bit more than few weeks ago or a few days ago as well, the former Commissioner of Justice, Edo State former Commissioner of Justice, former Attorney General of Edo State office was invaded by notorious armed gunmen. they unleashed on him. Luckily for him, thank God Almighty, he was able to escape the assassination attempt against him. Governor Godwin Obaseki is the architect. He is the chief security of Edo State. He is the governor of Edo State. All these terrorist acts, Bonny Market, no one have been investigated. Obaseki have given terrorists immunity to do whatever they want. And publicly, Obaseki banned APC national chairman, no other than a noble man, our amiable leader, Comrade Adam Ali Oshomule, banned him, a two-time executive governor of Edo State. Now you have a terrorist governor banning a former governor of Edo State. That speaks a lot of volumes. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and play the next audio. I want everyone to, it don't matter what you're going to say about me. Everybody already know me. I'm a naked man on the street. Everybody know me. I'm just like a naked man. They know me. Igor McMina. I don't fight nobody. I don't have time for fight. I will speak the truth. I am one of the biggest whistleblower. Anything I hear, if it's illegal, I will blow it. I am just like a naked man. Everyone already know me. No matter whatever you're going to call me, I don't give a damn. Whatever you want to say, I don't give a damn. And don't forget, I work in the prison. There's no goddamn name that they don't call it the prison. So you're going to lose. I don't care. I will speak the truth. Let me tell you. Okay, listen. So it don't matter whatever you're going to say about me. God Almighty know what I'm doing is the right thing. The men and women in uniform in United States know what I'm doing is the right thing. The law enforcement agency men and women in Europe in uniform know what I'm doing is the right thing. Those in Africa in not too corrupt country know what I'm doing is the right thing. The people that is criticizing, that is calling me name, are those who are terrorists, who are criminal. They worse than Boko Haram. But they are hiding. I will dig you out for the law enforcement agency to know you. Terrorist Abat Obaze is the rising terrorist, notorious militant in Edo State today. He gradually branded his terrorist organization and hide it under Governor Godwin Obaseki. He named it 4+4. Nobody will catch 4+4. Talk back. Before you know it, they start exploding bomb. There are all evidence here. I have the video and audio, the bomb. So, go ahead.
Hello, pardon.
God bless you. That one is done. Okay, let's go.
Hello. Awo kako, awo jewe.
Okay.
Ojúrí mi noriere nere de gbere owe. Money people freedom movement in our kakabo je gbe here abawe.
The baka.
Because
Yes.
we cannot make the mistake.
Not
Turn back. Mami ese na unu vie. Ita hon ya pon. O Oriedo, oriesese uhi. Mami mihiana no sono. Ewa ekata yutone. Ege no na kari, ege no gbera. Bwe, emi no balimane degbe. Emi no nyimanwe degbe. Ega jikbe ya. Ọ̀rọ̀ asọ́pá ní gọdún ní náà rí ẹ̀dá gboko ọ̀ òbọ́sù gbọ̀gíjì máa ẹ̀.
Ogo.
Awọ́ kako awọ́ jìnwé. Ààrẹ ìpolongo mọ̀ ń yára wa ní anamọ̀jì àkọ́bá sẹ́kì. Iya te aho remile sokuzebude. Iya maigi no manoroge zomo viola wane. Iya na mudia. The governor day. Oyi wasiwani. O marriage do tuya because no you je barriere na. Ogi aha. Owe you people. Where are you? Ejutu wo iye na ojutu ro gbagiro wa o bas godin no bi awo ma ho no yin e no je abi ipologbo la yen ore o ma kosa ne o ma bi ho no ho o ka wo gba ne ni mo na gwa ne dio o wi do mu ja pe na e godin na wa pa yen ekeni abone no tota yo ona wa tude ahabo kako aredio ya no modi akoi ona wa fi ko no la moto le wa na baz abati no be baze wa ni o owo paso wa anya ona pase ero mi ai ona pa no de gberi ke gaho no way iya erana se no biere I community we women we di grace
Ona disgrace you ko
mami ri na ya se epo ana ye do se gbon o na gun igbe pa o me se no le mi ya gbada etu ni kabaka omwina jigei anu paronus etonis kabaka resisi da ona mi ego anu pariro no weta westoni kabaka omi machine ya gya go wa osu se jigei o mi hunu wa ne e gometi woni ari rete ona gele ariwo nínú wa ona mi shogo ofin koze no ya bo wa ni mo ta ibuzo no mere gbegele ya na viogbe iyu paro mu ni yedo ayewe ewo mini e ma pata ebe
a person winning.
Ikowuro nigbe owe na la owo na ya bowa no we mi dawo yeto wasa meze ba mowo mami mi na mawese odawo odomoja koma mami de tu wa o yi fi oworie ana mune o wa no heke emi na no so na no because ami kodukun lo ne o ha me ogbowa ne bi o emi ni ma ho ni ma yin ri ma e so mule owo vega isakakobo no nya ri gwetwe bu la wo ma ye yin awe wonwe ishola e godwin lórí agogema wo be mu yin ma egbere ebo hiaga ihia we doagi ha dogi na kina ina bata I be bata lobi because I make no come okay do state governor forever ego nunyi gunare ate ka gonyi gunare pa elokiro na we pa pago somo le rona we pa ko se no gu ya we pa woni ga ni mani bi edo munu wa agbo pe de gbe bi sunu because pe opolo gbonu wa ya rege bari oba
Good.
no book bene oma wo ni mani bi edo ta ma bi me ati ni ma ya vote out we hotelable America nangwa de nyo pa no ri ladia we online na America no ri rero
Error 0.
Oh, one boy, no matter how, if no concern we concern to make kabaka. It can't be no riba no mai na fiai. What's the luna jeke na mena goma jeke no vena kawe?
Yeah, now.
Don't bonaya boyo ya se ekemi. Where oh yin to ni kabaka. Abazero ni na famitone kabaka do yin etone kabaka ye momo etone kabaka make nene before ishola keke wonokeri
That's true.
o ye bi pa tone kabaka will remain tone kabaka
Simple. Clear.
wani bi edo e ma tagigi warita family do you go like governor ogo paibo bizo ogo what's in go na wa go we what's go na wa go we do dey you pan we dey you pan we mo ye do we go na you be do ago sameni
No, mama, no, you can look at me.
ah
No.
no you je wa take ke na mo we na ana amwebe no ma keke na mwebe na fa emi na mi ebo na he
Na he again, no, mama, bonus.
beta ga nu na ye to ne kabaka no na no gbo o ma ga gbo no ma go ma je school but after we like it me e gbala ka ni to ne kabaka mo mo ya hin kete owu ni kete no na ro afo emi ni o ni do tamawe igodo no yago ati gbomo no wo me se èmi ya fẹ́ nu da tó ní kabaka na ọ̀rọ̀ ari no ma o da èmi ka o yego ero bete ari no ma o da tó ní no kabaka o ga mi obo o ga mi ege iye ke agwa lo we ari ade gbe mi o ni no ma o da
Ise.
o wa nu go na awe bo ya no twipo to ba awe bo ya no ya wa be no tiri ba no se ya no mi ba de do we ka ya gwa lo wa de ade gbe mi ewe wo po ni de gbe so wo ba ya de gbe so wo ba ya ri mana ina te ka e governor ha mi ewe because we to ni kabaka gbe uwe egbe ona le you ware because I need to know somewhere more uwe police ya no ro do wo wo jere ya me gbo wa yi si na pa inu gba no kin ni ho mi to tama wo tan kabaka obi ra me obi je me obi e do sisi la ho go yezegbe mo fe ma gwa li dagbo emi ka o wi agbe na wo awaze ya fe no ro yen wi agbe na wo abeje bo je wase yen wi agbe na wo o pe keka abe na atu na ge wa mi wa ya fe no wo
Nia gore. E Tony Louis Kabaka. Nia go. E Niku Mosalo Boisement. O Wayan go. Nia Magore. Umama Bono Salo Boisement. Nia Magore. Iwe Magore. Weto logo manore dagwe. Ogore. E Gayosi. E Godwin no Gayos. Ogoro. Wahia jere gomo no fi gbe yeke. O ma so pinje. O ma ri je hiwore. No buena e gani na we primary. Habe to ni kabaka mano. Ogun we primary ne owo ma je school. Where you uzo ni hira ede. Penuna e go mo o hira e. Ebe nyanu khami bi edowo adowo ya oda wa ama ike wa ama ebe nyana wo khami bi edo wo awi bi edo wo to azo baleji mani bi edo gbe owo do adu ma gba mi ma ya mo egodo ni no bi awo ni ma ya mo hi la si mari ni ma ya mo hi go wi mari ni ma ya mo hi gbe mari owo do a ona ehuni no wewe bie ona ehuni na nwe wuta ona ehuni na nwe gwa bie he odi mulao ni ni obo mi ehe ni ya mo go to lori awo hi na gbere oha wo ya fe ni je na agbo ya ni agbo ya gwa ni no keke aje na ja agwan agwa tedo o agwa lo wan hia go pa wa fe ti gbele bi edo ya ebi ni ho ni tamawe erima re Adam ibaba no somole la ho wo we ni ya muri we do mwe panima ebi ni ho ni do tamo wa ni bi edo mami obo hia no gba pe lele godun ni na e godun ni ikna bo hia no we se mo fi ya ene wo se ni na fi wa yi wo se mo gba na ye go godun ni afi wa yi e godun ni mo mu igbe no ya evi ni mani bi ogo vie wala ho yedo wa gagmo hia yo ibi na ake uhio na gmo hia ki de owa guys de wo ka odukun ode ohio odukun wo ka na de upo ke bana de gbo mi emi paro e no na je wo ka ni owe na mi wo ri te owo pe ha wo kini me no ma wo ma we ni e wo are do wo na iya mo do no wo pa ma ri we ga ni ma ya zo le le government opawo o pe e o sisi ka vi wo ma pasi o we ji ogba we zo la wa e gbe lo ma ro pa e fun bo ma ro pa because wa la hu pore ni ma ni wa ya ni gbadu ko na ya fe you people will pay for it
Amen.
ibi o do wa gun vera audio na no se be god ni lo we ba fe to bo we upigbe e forever Natata Nerioja Amega Kipiari Neriezegijo Usarawo manima Magirieze Maniriedo Mami no salobo ya wi mai yoko Wagi mado mia the godun ni gedo mu na area e godun ni lori awo because awo ba se ki e ga me mu na mu ni ano wala ho ibiedo la ho wa gejo na wa geru se godun no bo because aga igbowo hani azobi hene ima ya fe ima agoto ni kabaka fi owo owie ima agwo fi wota ima be gwo fi ma be hiri wa ni biedo wa bida wa baba
Oh. What? Osabo Adebawe. You see, this is a posse This is somebody who did not even know Tony. A PFN member. Now, who could have thought today that People Freedom Movement will be the one that will stand with Tony Kabaka? Because when someone is doing the right thing, we all need to come together and protect him. Then you have these terrorists. Abatobaze. 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 Ni ati eti. Igmina nuwe igmina no basekina. Oga igmina neto aya mano. Wa mo pe ogwedia, wa mo ho ogwedia. Ebi nu ni boy yo mudia no. Ao. Igmina re gbe ebi nu miewo ugbina yi. Wa afia wo yira bi yo ao. Gbo hara gbo o. Uwe tose unukpo ni metose o ke fia wo. Igba we nenu ari agmo. Uwe tose o pe agbo ho agbo e. Eru mo ru akhia wa keti pa adeti. Edenu ambe babo we nu we. Edero lo ma ala we gbe. Edenu ayogo bo. Edero lo ma ala we gbe. Edenu ayogo he. Edero no lo ma ala we gbe. Edenu wo kan we adigwele runu e. Edero wa ari e bona. Oga igbina nu we gbina na. Emenera no migo ta. Roba se kiki duwe ma ge mataro. Wa ma. Uhe mataro. Uwetu nuwe mu. Uwetu nunu wewe la labe. Aga luwe la labe. Abati no we baze. Okpe aga lowo we lowo ta. Tony Kabaka no we adu. Tony Anthony no we adu. Abato baze. Ikunugwe Tony no we adu ku. Ora ikunu aya tegbo mamu ugwe ku. O ikuna ya protete ugelegwe ku. Wene abato bi abaze uwe Tony oseweno. Ora ikunugwe ku. Ikunu we aya protete Tony ga no. Emi ya no ri obo ya amanu e. Ayo. Ikunu aya lo Tony. No ya yin gbalaka. Uye Tony yin gbalaka, wa ya yin gbalaka no ro afo. Arwa we fo gbalaka ni gba we nenu ari agmo. Abati no we baze. Uduogu ogbegu, uduoga agbo e. Uduoga agbo. Apapa atu ason mo won kuro apabo fi. Oga bazi amuko egbe. Eri afefe ruri ama ma dara no mi go we Tony. Won aya mo e. Won aya mo, wa aya ga u ka ni yoko e. No le lo kan ko na. E Facebook me. Uga won bo e ma no streaker e Facebook view ame. Wa defien won. Wa devawo. Igba we nenu ari agbon. Igele emi omo gbagbo ewe. Afian gbigidi ogbo e. Eje bole wa so nware yu a o. Epele gbe no ki obo o agbo e wa bati no bi obaze. Olokuru re gbe o ga ru a wa bati no bi obaze. Mega streak video we yeye menera amigo. E boya fefe ni tin we na. Esu egbe. Oh! Me ma streak video we. Una we nu zo me go kwa. Una we nu zo lo ma yo me gbe. Olorun ai fo wa we. E ti ge elegbe. E mo no dibo. E no si do va no gbogbo a. O ga gbo e. O ga gbo o. Igba we na no ari agbon. Abati no yo baze nwo aya mo ti afefefe ne godun no yo baze ke si yo to. Kene shaibu si. Kene barisa osadio ogesi nwo aya mo because owe ewe no wan kan yo na. Owu wo gwa ye kote no wan. Ewe no wan no yo ni ro awe ya mo logo me no wan. Ro ya leluwe. Ariagmo ena kariagmo hewe. Iriagmo ena sagmo na anu enu ade. Uguru na yo wenu wa heme. Uya yo weri lu edi abati no yo baze. Igari we iga mi boya yo we ya iri lo edi gba we nenu ariagmo. O uguro tu. Etwaro tu. Owenu omagwe u nu we no ma wenu. Kuwe kiani ogun ga nware yu wa hu. Awon ogun wa ga kian o. E Fulani Hesme ni vuendo do we na bati magele mi dan wa ma umio e won gere do kaye wenu gberwe unu enya no nya gbe ma ya fefefe no heima na we gbe voting e Godwin no viago ovie gayosi Obaseki wa we gbe mi obo yari vai ne gbe ohwe bedo ni abati wa aye oloni sanwe tore uwari oni san lulu we latia owo gaari enu e wa bi me ipa o lawe gbe gbawe nenu ari agbon Ariana wenu ri agbon Ariana wa ri agbon Ariave aseni iu e na o le loke awo di makporu no sugbe we owo me fe ko hia ovi ogwehi aworo paro no sponsor me even politician origo me we ve ni anu yagun me kan uwenu wele gbe ememe no mwanyawo ememe ga gbo ememe ahun loko yu ohun ememe ga ahun loko yu ohun e ma babe yan aya hun pe mawo evinera no migo mie uga mi egboni la uga la viruma na legboni la ne dose ke di na dan abati no yo baze egbe wo gbe oho e wa gbon egbe wo gbe oho e wa gbon ke ma no ti elesho were do aka mi ni ki e bona ya aga wo o se ya fefe gbe no ma eme no wi eme o se ya gbe o pe gbodo pe gbake a po kaka wo o we no fi po yo gbo fi odi wa e tete bo de wa se iya mi bo e kigbina fefe ni gbina ya mi bo yari e gbina ni gbina eri o be ye nu wa ya fefe no be ge me na no be me e ma me do no ma i ma ya to ma gwo ba to le do yi o salobo asanu dazi o gagbo han bebe mene ra mi go bu ere baba o sanu nyagbon yan wi imwemewe na nya o e de Friday ipede no giyan o ki va ukpona imwewe paso sage ze ya mu bu ere baba no la wo no do mu dia na wo wi no mu dia na wo ta ke mama ne garuri mama da pastor Osage no vize yamu utu ya yabo e pastor Osage ze yamu imagie no wirie Arioba governor of Edo State 2020 baba ne baba uhai waka se no rie mena uwe ne ri unu meta weri okan asu no baba ne baba no ya gbina no pastor Osage ze yamu ke mama ne kia ni dubo kose ne kia e ma no we gagba kokko we amuna agwagara we ne afia wore baba ne baba ruya o zaria wa nuke ya kukugbe na ya so pastor Osage ze yamu na ya so la pono pe oho no o we pastor Osage ze yamu ge mi ma fa bi no sunu na bi nu na ge mata oro e mata be alenu e o le lo kan imo bo be gbuwa but wa una gele ame jaji wo igbine do we gbina wo ko no lara emi no mano ibi se anu but when we e Godwin no yo ba se ki hu dano because mo no ma bi wu hu omo no ma omo no ma gba damo egwo ma kokomo omo ni ye me ki egwo ma beki omo no ma bo wa yedo edo le doye oba se ki eme company opa no one company Afriverse is in Lagos. Godwin Obaseki don't care about Edo people. Baba imebu adina imudi ane pastor Osage ze yamu eye hwemu me khamedi a keri aye baba ne baba very naira afana ri ave naira so etede bode was aze o so ya fefe na ogba oge me wa no se mawu wa tino here ege pastor Osage ze yamu goge ya kilori aye e pastor Osage no bi ze yamu e menera amigo mudi anabason imudi anabason a miraculous rebabo by the power of Almighty God. Eruninana iri of sen one mawo. Wane mawo e bonitie wawe garu babatu. Ili tai dio kanaji. Pastor Osage Izeyamu is our next governor. God comes on, nobody can change it. What God has said, no man can change it. Destiny can be delayed, can never be changed. Esuno. I want to paro no set it stop. Obaseki we me bo eti oteyi. Ima eti ebia. But nothing that even that time. June is the primary. At June, after primary, Abat will be heading to Congo. Oh, Oma le, Oma ba. Even your boys, because he have made people to believe that Obaseki road is the only road. Terrorist road is the only road. Where terrorist empire is finally crippled, well, then you have no choice. I predicted it many years ago, or a few months ago. Oh, hi. It boys are area Yawami. Even la tie. Obi o hano gbe gun awodo. Ewe no wa na bati wi egwalona. Ima kan ayi oi. Obi o hakiri. We were the leader of terrorist group. Who were a leader for Obaseki Ototo wo ye. Commissioner Aero Ototo wo ye. Wa yo obi ori omo no. Good or bad. Obi ma no. Ero saze o se mi gero. Obi ma no. Wa kame na ri ya na ge ogori. Ege ite bani ya so ano. Ege why na we ka we confuse man no. Ege ite ni ma ya ha muwa no Obaseki yari commissioner Aero no ri gira no ri giye. Nyori obi ya kia. Because I'm again Gaza, I'm de Gaza, I remember Gaza. Gan we don't give in your logoni, Udorion, Mamudia on Aya Doloi, Orion, Mamudia on Doloi, Juni Curion, Yana Agay. Abati Metamuera. I won't go here, maybe little tie. Even Tavikiwe, Uwe Kabaka Hian Boy. Aria with Metamawe. Even Tashi. Iwe video ni fair. Wa viola dia ogun boy o ma viola dia ogun boy o make lu loire o atie bo me ogun boy o ma we tie ogun boy o make lu loire I me wa megbe. I'm going to expose you people 2020 na igbinana how to expose Governor Godwin Obaseki. I me manaseti Governor Obaseki e gran Americana I et overlock. I lock, même not a lock, même a lock. I may what mean I was so far ni wow. So that being said, brothers and sisters, if you know you like this program, don't hesitate to. If you don't know how to write, just be doing love. Go there. Let me show people on YouTube. You go to YouTube. If you don't know how to write, just go there. You see this sign right here. You see it right now. You can see it. Just hit the thumbs up. Right there, when you click like, that's it. It will show blue. Then you will hit live chat. It's going to come back to the screen. Easy. So if you're on Facebook, you don't know how to write and read, it's not your fault. Just hit like, or just the right. Show Pastor Osagi Izeyamu. Pastor Osagi Izeyamu for governor. If you cannot write Pastor, just write Osagi is for governor. Pastor Osagi Izeyamu for governor. Edo State governor. Edo State governor, he should come and help us eradicate terrorism in Edo State. Kogi State! Obaseki, now he go to Kogi State. He went to go and bring Kogi people to come and invade Edo. Obaseki have nothing to lose. Godwin, there are some good Obaseki family. Let me leave that. Godwin, Obaseki have nothing to lose. His AfriVest company is in Lagos. He have investment in the north. He have in Lagos. He has no one hotel in Benin. All the houses he bought in Benin, he used those state taxpayer money to buy it. So he don't give it then if the money is gone or not. Look at Jason Robo, who welcomed him in an ENA. He's no longer the president of ENA. Ever since he sent a computer laptop to Abatobaze, his bad luck has shone on Jason Robo. Now is in Oiboke Edison, who is supporting a terrorist administration. Oiboke Osifo, Obaseki have come to energize them. How they will find one or the other to kill me. So I am not telling Edo people and those that love the good thing to notify our amiable leader, Comrade Adamali Oshomule, and our lovely brother, Pastor Osagi Izeyamu. If anything happen, they know that Obaseki, Oiboke Edison, Oiboke Osifo, Abatobaze and his brother, I forgot his name, Smart, the one in Florida, they will be held responsible. FBI should first of all unleash on his brother. So, Obaseki is gone. We do not want him. It's a problem. He created a terrorist group in Benin. How can one man, what did Tony Kabaka do to him? Because Tony Kabaka said he don't want to do a dirty job. Even there's a video when Tony said all Obaseki is using him for is a dirty job. Tony said he's tired of a dirty job. FBI will welcome him. United Nations will clap for him for having the courage to defy and told him, I am tired. He don't want to work that dirty job for him. Obaseki said, if you don't do it, he will kill you. Now Obaseki started. He put a bulldozer to destroy Tony Kabaka home. Destroy his hotel. Millions. Today, Obaseki sent his agent of darkness to go and seal another hotel that belonged to Osakpoma no more less. Osakpoma Erio. Another hotel. Larry Godwin. Wo muriana wagu wobo e wala bati na awa beruwa wa biyuwa. Wo muriana wagu wabo e. Larry Edona he area ohana iwa we meti ya bati. I hear them no hange gwe gwa wedu. Anybody that travel from Europe, they will go and worship this terrorist leader because they are scared. Even Abat is not bigger than Osagbo where you are.